It is to find workarounds in the law, to find exceptions in the law, to rely on past judgments that are close to your thing that can be used and abused to get you off the hook. The law is not about upholding society. The law is not about caring about the good benefit of the society. The law is all about if you got the money, if you have to, if you belong to a segment of society that has a sway. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I present to you Mr. Mark Simpson. He practices in London, Ontario, and all over. He practices from Thunder Bay right up to Senior. He spreads himself very thin. He doesn't really care. He's not going to reel anybody's file. He knows exactly what to say. He's a master. You should get him if you are into human trafficking. You must get him on your team if you are into the oldest profession, Ontario has a big human trafficking problem. And why is that? We have to thank Mr. Simpson for his kind contribution towards keeping up the gross domestic produce of human trafficking. Like throughout the 401 and 402 areas, we have human trafficking. Ontario is one of the biggest things, especially Sarnia Lambton. And how is it possible? Thanks to Mr. Simpson. Mr. Simpson's dedication to making sure that human traffickers, child molesters, child abductors can function with absolute arrogant impunity beyond any kind of, you can't touch him, man. You can't touch him when you get yourself Mr. Simpson. So if you is into those child abduction, child molestation, if you're a child molester, if you have committed crimes against children, if you want to perpetrate parental alienation, if you want to perpetrate abduction, and if you want to destroy lives of children, if you want to you must get Mark Simpson and his team. They're the best. There's nothing comparable over there. Screw you and your truth. When you got Mark Simpson, he will help you circumnavigate the law. And it's the law and motions and trial is plain and simple. It is like pinning the tail on the elephant. Of course, now the justice is blind, so all you got to do them is spin them around in circles, and then